Well, it's time to install my accordion bedway shield on my mini lathe. I wanted to avoid drilling, tapping, and a complicated system of screws or nuts. I decided instead to use powerful rare earth magnets. Normally, I would have used my regular hand pop riveter, but I wanted to show the use of my air riveter to my friend Glenn from Glenn Now on YouTube. It is one of the few air tools I still have in my toolbox. It works really well on riveting small jobs, but even better on a very large job when there's lots of rivets to be set. With the rivets and magnets securely in place, back to the lathe. The magnets are attached to the moving carriage and to the headstock. The shield expands and contracts completely to cover the bedways during all operations, as well as being easily removed for cleaning and adjustments of the tool. Although my item is many years old, a similar item is still available at Harbor Freight Tools.